I will constantly be close by on the grounds that without you in my life I am nothing. I love you. Child, you are the most caring, best individual I have at any point knowing in my life. I can hardly imagine how you are here with me at the present time. You are similar to a heavenly messenger that Pardesi has shaped of me. Your adoration has made me a more capable individual. You have shown me how to manage a fair life circumstances. Likewise, you have assisted me with tracking down myself. I love you so much, dear. You are the main individual for me. No the other person can have your support in my heart since you hold all of it. I love you to the moon and back. I have traversed seven oceans and strolled through downpour and tempest to track down you. You are the surgeon of my heart. You are the last thought to me before I not off and the absolute intel. One when I get up in the first part of the day. You are dependably here with me wherever I go. You are my blessing from heaven. I never accepted. I could be so cheerful. My heart will constantly be yours. You are not only my sweetheart, you are my closest companion too. I love you more than anything. I need to be the hands that stroke your body. I need to be the lips that drain the worry of you. I need to be the chest you can carry on. Also, I need to be the ears that pay attention to every one of your concurrents. You are the star that sparkles in the dimness of the evening. You are the quiet in the center of the tempest. You are my eternity love. I love your lips. I love the manner in which they move when you talk. I love your eyes. I love the manner in which they look directly through me. I love your passage. I love the manner in which it thanks. I love your heart. I love the manner in which it beats. I will be your support point, your stone, your establishment. I will be your beacon. Constantly there for you in the demands. I will be the sky above you, the ground underneath you, and the air you relax. You will live in me, and I will live in you. You are my sparkling star, my never ending light. The brilliance of your adoration has filled my existence with satisfaction. I vow to bring you happiness in the midst of bitterness. Rise you when you are down. Be your heaven in a furious tempest. I will be your rest in a tried accelerations. Your light toward the finish of a dam passage. You are cool glass of water in a hot and burning dry desert.